What's going on, everyone? Today we're taking a closer look at a display that's clearly made for serious creative work. This is the BenQ SW272Q, and from the moment you set it up, it's obvious this monitor is all about precision rather than hype. It's built for photographers, editors, and creators who need their colors to be right every single time. The overall design keeps things clean and functional. Nothing distracting, just a solid build that feels premium and reliable. The stand is fully adjustable, so you can dial in the perfect viewing angle, whether that's height, tilt, or rotation. Portrait mode is also supported, which is great for editing vertical content or reviewing full-resolution images without constant scrolling. Now getting into the panel, this is a 27-inch 2K display, and while some might expect 4K, the real focus here is color accuracy over raw resolution. You're getting 99% Adobe RGB and 98% DCI-P3, which means the color reproduction is extremely wide and accurate. This is exactly what professionals look for when editing photos or grading footage, because what you see on screen needs to match the final output. One of the standout features here is the nano matte coating. It does a great job of cutting down reflections without softening the image. So even if you're working in a bright room, your visuals stay sharp and detailed. On top of that, it's certified for low reflection, which makes long editing sessions much more comfortable on the eyes. Another key highlight is the 16-bit 3D LUT, which allows for very precise color mapping. What that means in real use is smoother gradients, better tonal transitions, and no visible banding. Combined with support for over 1 billion colors, the depth and realism really stand out, especially when working with raw images or high-quality video. HDR support is included, but this monitor approaches it from a creator perspective. It's less about extreme brightness and more about delivering consistent and usable HDR for editing workflows. So you're getting accuracy instead of exaggerated contrast. One of the biggest advantages here is hardware calibration. You can calibrate the monitor directly and store profiles internally, which ensures your colors remain consistent no matter which device you're using. This is a huge benefit if you're working across multiple systems or need dependable results for professional projects. Connectivity is also very well handled. You get USB-C with 90W power delivery, which means you can run your display and charge your laptop with a single cable. This is perfect for a clean and minimal setup. There are also HDMI and DisplayPort options, so compatibility is not an issue. The built-in USB hub is another practical feature. It lets you connect accessories directly to the monitor, which helps reduce cable clutter on your desk. It's one of those small things that makes everyday use more convenient. There's also a shading hood included, which is something you usually only see on higher-end professional displays. It helps block ambient light and keeps your color perception consistent while you work. If you're editing in different lighting conditions, this becomes really useful. When it comes to performance, this is not designed for gaming or fast motion tasks. The refresh rate is standard, and the focus is clearly on accuracy and consistency instead of speed. And that's exactly what it should be for a monitor in this category. So who is this really for? If you're into photography, video editing, or any kind of design work where color matters, this monitor makes a lot of sense. It's designed to give you confidence that what you're seeing is true to life. Overall, this is a display that stays focused on its purpose and delivers where it counts. It's not trying to compete with gaming monitors or ultra-high resolution panels. Instead, it gives creators a reliable and professional tool for their workflow. If you're thinking about upgrading your editing setup and want something that prioritizes accuracy, this is definitely worth checking out. You can find more details through the link in the description.